What's going on, everyone? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Land Rover Defender 90 V8 Carpathian Edition. This vehicle is powered by a 5-liter supercharged V8 with 518 horsepower and 461 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and this vehicle can do 0 to 60 in 4.9 seconds. Pretty cool for a Defender. So this is a pretty high-end Defender, of course, having a V8 supercharged and everything like that. I don't think I've ever driven a V8 Defender before, so I'm really excited to drive this one today. You have a nice Alcantara steering wheel, nice leather-wrapped horn pad, beautiful metal shift paddles. You guys know I love my shift paddles. Digital gauge cluster, standard screen that you find in most Range Rovers and Land Rover products. Your ventilated seats, heated seats, all your drive modes over here, and off-roading modes. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera as well as a regular view camera. Standard Land Rover key fob as well. Black leather seats. The second row looks pretty spacious. And I'd always like how there's windows. I've always liked on Defenders how there's windows up there for more light, and you have a panoramic sunroof too. And sounds pretty amazing, that's for sure. And you also have an air suspension too. Let me see if I can change the drive mode real quick. Forgot where I'd do that. It's whatever. Let me just rev it up and we'll go take a look and go for a drive. And you can hear that supercharger whine. Oh yeah, this was where the drive mode selector is. I'm gonna put it in dynamic. So you basically have to use like these center dials for a lot of the features in these cars. And you also have like the camera mirror up there. But yeah, like this can control your vent. You have to push down, choose what you want to select. I'm not the biggest fan of that personally, but you know, I guess it does the job. You can hear the whine, it's so cool. I really like that Alcantara wheel. And this is the Carpathian satin finish, special color for the Carpathian edition. Looks really, really nice. I love the way it looks. You have a V8 badge on the side, you have step rails, giant wheels, Land Rover brake calipers. Very aggressive design on this Defender V8. Looks cool. These things really do look good. I really, really like the way Defenders look. I love rugged off-roading style vehicles. You also have quad outlet exhausts on this V8. I think all the Defender V8s come with quad outlet exhausts. Here's the trunk space. Obviously, it's kind of limited with the second row up, but you can fold that, add more space, and you also have like the rear tire back here. Let's see what this car is like to drive. And I like the placement for the wireless charging tray over here, where you can see my phone charging as we speak. All right. I want to make sure my camera angle looks good. Yeah, we are good to go. Time for some V8 Defender drive. I love this Alcantara wheel. It feels so nice to touch. Sounds awesome. As expected, it sounds pretty amazing. And it's pretty quick too, 4.9 seconds. I mean, it is a pretty big vehicle, so 4.9 doesn't sound too crazy, right? But it is a very big car, so it feels pretty quick in this vehicle. And it's a very heavy SUV, that's for sure. It is an off-roading SUV after all. Man, those ventilated seats feel good in this hot day, very hot day here in Dallas. And then you have I really like the storage you have up there. You can just toss all kinds of things in that console, in the dash. Look at this. Look at that high quality shift paddles. Listen to that. I love metal shift paddles. Man, that supercharger sounds fantastic. Wow. It's so fun. And I love the ride height in this thing. You're so elevated above the road. This is so cool. You just do that all day. Obviously the fuel economy in this car is probably not good at all, considering it's a supercharged 5-liter V8. And if I had this car, I'd just be doing this all day, just accelerating and hearing the supercharger. The ride feels quite smooth. It's very, very smooth. And it's pretty quiet in here as well. And I forgot to mention, you have a Meridian sound system. Those are pretty good sound systems. I'm pretty sure the MSRP on this car was probably like 120,000 plus when it was new back in 23. Because these Defenders get pricey, that's for sure. But as a used car value, it's a very good value proposition if you really like Defenders. Because this is, it's really cool to have a V8 Defender. Very nice sound. Really fun to drive this car. Obviously you got some body roll in this thing, considering it's like a giant box, but handles pretty well for what it is. You can move it over into the S mode for faster shifting as well. And obviously in a vehicle like this, the windshield is very steeply raked, kind of like it is in a Wrangler or whatever. So, and G-Wagons, so you are more prone to rock chips and cracked windshields, so you do have to be aware of that in these boxy vehicles. I love these boxy off-roady SUVs. They all just look so cool. It just looks so rugged and manly. I love the way these look. Very good looking vehicles. I think the Defender is my favorite Range Rover. I'm not a big fan of Range Rover products. Never have been, but I really like this Defender because it's more on the utility side and looks sportier. Like, I've never been the biggest fan of the Velar. I really never liked that car, or even the big Rover. I mean, they're cool, but just not my thing. But this Defender, if I had to drive a Range Rover, I'd definitely drive a Defender. That's what I would drive. Like, I would drive this for sure. I'd be very proud to drive this. It's awesome. And also this Carpathian paint, this matte finish, you have to be very careful with that too. Make sure you get it PPF'd, especially if you go off-roading, because scratching up this satin paint is not going to be an easy fix. It'll be thousands and thousands and thousands to repair. So you have to keep that in mind whenever you buy a satin finish car. But overall, this has been a very wonderful drive in this Defender today. Really enjoying it. Exceeded my expectations. I didn't know what to expect because, as I mentioned, I never drove a V8 Defender before. Grubb's Volvo Grapevine has all kinds of cool cars. Just take a look at this. Porsches, BMWs, Mercedes, all kinds of cool performance SUVs. And I made videos on a lot of those too, so make sure to check out all the videos and all the cars at Grubb's Volvo Grapevine. Let's park this Defender real quick and then we'll conclude today's video. Looks like there's not a spot there, so let's test out the backup camera and go park it somewhere else. Now's a good time to check the camera in action. Now let's reverse and park. Overall, I had a great time driving this Defender Carpathian edition today. Really fun, sounds amazing, and just a very unique driving experience. But thanks for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Volvo cars in the description below if you'd like to shop for awesome performance SUVs like this Defender.